Thank you for watching my channel, jfreeman818. I'm Julian. Today I'm going to show you the Galaxy humidifier that I just received. Let's open it up. I saw this on Amazon. I paid, it was $12 with some tax plus $10 shipping, so altogether about a little over $24. Alright, so let's see everything that's in the box. You got the humidifier, get some instructions as well. Some of it is in another language, I believe Japanese. Let's put this together. This is exactly like the moon one that I have, I believe. So I believe, correct. Let's see how this thing goes here. It should be pretty simple. Something like that. Alright, let's see. Alright, so something like that. Let's see. Alright. I was trying to copy the moon that I have over there. You'll see that in a minute. I'll probably put this right next to it. Alright, so there's your humidifier, and it looks like you have to plug it in. Looks like this is a tube that goes inside of it. Or maybe it's a... okay, looks like it's already got a tube in there, so this is just an extra tube. It comes with an extra tube. That's good to know. Alright, so let's stick that back on there. And I guess you fill the bottom part up here, and then you put the top in, and then you have your humidifier. Alright, so let's do it. So let's fill it up with some water. Probably fill it up too much. And then you put this on and then turn it to lock it in place. Alright, now let's hook up the cord. And then let's see if I can plug it in over here to my computer. Box. Alright, let's see. Now, there's the light. Awesome. There it goes. See it? This is dope. Definitely an add to your collection if you like cool humidifiers, misters, incense, lights. This is definitely a great add-on, so I am going to probably add this to my little section right there. It's got the moon and the little incense there, right there. If you haven't already hit subscribe, if you haven't already hit subscribe to my channel, please do so now. I really appreciate it. And thanks for watching. I got a lot of new cool products coming that I'm going to show you. See you next time. So I wanted to show you where I'm going to keep it. There's the Galaxy humidifier. I put it in the mode so it changes colors. Next to my alien incense candle. It's got some of the Halloween stuff out already. If you haven't seen this already, I think that is super cool. And then I put the moon in my other room. So there's my glow-in-the-dark incense holder. And then I put it in this room with the Galaxy that shines the light up there. Check my channel out. Thanks for watching.